In this video, we will solve a numerical on how to find the Solow residual. The question is like this. The aggregate production function for an economy is y is equal to a k to the power 0.4 l to the power 0.6. Okay. Growth rates of output, capital and labor are 5%, 8% and 2% respectively over certain period. Growth rate accounted for factor accumulation is, the options are 4.4%, 0.06%, 1% or none. Okay, so let's try to solve this question. So what we are being given, we are being given a production function, which is of course the Cobb-Douglas production function. Y is equal to a k to the power 0.4 l to the power 0.6. Okay, by factor accumulation, what we mean, an increase in the quality of labor, sorry, in the increase in the quality of the factor, whether it is capital or labor. Okay, how efficient our technology becomes. This factor accumulation denotes our state of technology. Okay, we have to find out the growth rate of the technology here, and this here this a denotes our Solow residual also, that very change in the output which is not explained by capital or labor. Okay, what we call the Solow residual here. Okay, so how do we find the change in growth rate of a? Let's try to solve this out. Okay, so this is our production function. First, what will we do here? We will take log on both sides to this production function. Okay, taking log. Okay, taking log on both sides. Okay, so we have log of log of y is equal to a. Okay, what is the log of k to the power 0.4? This will be like this: a in a plus 0.4 log of k. Okay, how did I get this? Simply, if we have y is equal to let us say x to the power m, log of y will be equal to this, m becomes coefficient, we write it like this. Okay, log of x, and I have used that very formula here. And also, if we have let us say we have y is equal to ab, okay, then log of y is equal to, if I take log on both sides, it will become log of a plus log of b. Okay, simple thing. Similarly, I will write here plus, then we have 0.6 log of L. Okay, after that I will take the differential on both sides. Okay, taking derivative on both sides, so the derivative of log y will be 1 upon y into del y. Okay, which is equal to, now what is derivative of a? It is 1. Okay, here we have log of a, I forgot to write it here. So derivative of log of a is 1 upon a del a plus we have 0.4 log of k, its derivative is 1 upon k del k plus derivative of log L here will be 1 upon L del L. Okay, so we have here dy del y upon y is equal to del a upon a plus 0.4 del k upon k plus 0.6 del L upon L. Okay, now what is this del y upon L? Del y upon y, it shows change in output divided by initial output. So this shows us growth rate of output. Okay, so this shows us growth rate of output, this shows growth rate of our factor accumulation, this shows growth rate of capital, and this shows growth rate of labor. Okay, we are being told growth rate of output is being given us as 5%, so I can write it here 5%. Okay, so I can write it here 5% is equal to we need to find out this. So this is del A upon A, del A upon A, I will write it as it is, plus 0.4 del K upon K shows growth rate of capital, which is 8%, 8% plus 0.6, this shows us growth rate of labor, and which is being given us as 2%. Okay, so we will get here, we have 5% is equal to del A upon A plus what is 0.4 into 8%. Okay, this is 8 4s are 32, so we will get 3.2 here. Okay, so 8 4s are 32, taking 1, actually we get 3.2 here. Okay, 3.2%, you can also calculate it here, plus 0.6 into 2 is 1.2%. Okay, that means we have 5% here, plus and del A upon A, plus 3.2 plus 1.2 comes out to be 4.4%, or we can write 5% minus 4.4%, if I transpose this here, is equal to del A upon A. Okay, so 5% minus 4.4% comes out to be 0.6%, should be equal to growth rate of technology. Okay, so this is equal to del A upon A, or del A upon A is equal to 0.6% only. Okay, that means a growth rate of a factor accumulation, that means the growth rate of A, the state of technology, is 0.6%. and by factor accumulation, I have told you, it simply shows us the increase in the quality of factors which are used in the production. Okay, also we can see it tells us that very change in the growth of output which is not being explained by either capital or labor. Okay, I hope I have done the calculation right here. Okay, so if there are mistakes, you can point them out.